let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. During the final stage of an audit, the engagement partner performs a high-level analytical procedure of the financial statement. She notes that the gross margin increased from 32 to 41, even though sales volume declined slightly. Okay? Yes, and asking you to explain what could be a possible explanation for the decrease in the gross margin, at the increase in gross margin from 32 to 41. Now, if you are using farhatlectures.com and you're like, I don't, what's analytical procedures? You could always ask the AI to explain it. Just explain this question for me or the topic. Otherwise, if you know what to do, let's go ahead and review the answer choices. So basically the question is, what's the purpose of this? What's the purpose of final analytical procedure? Why? Is it to detect material misstatement by testing details of transaction? Now, detailed transaction testing are done throughout the year, not during the final analytical procedures. So not to detect material misstatement by testing detailed transaction. You're looking at the overall picture. Analytics is you're not looking for any particular transaction. You're looking at why did we have an increase in gross margin, which is good, from 32 to 41. But your fear as an auditor is, did they reduce their cost of goods sold, or are they reporting more revenue without the related cost? But not to test statements, so the A is out. B, to obtain an overall conclusion about whether the financial statements are reasonable. Is this the purpose of final analytical procedures? Between A and B, I'm going to keep B, but I'm not going to choose B until I look at C and D. Is it to reassess control risk level for significant processes? No, you just assess the risk, the control risk way earlier, not as part of the at the end, part of the final analytical procedure. So B still a stronger candidate than B. B still a stronger candidate than C. Is it D, to select additional items for account receivable confirmation? Here we're going back to testing transaction. We might have to do that. We might. I'm not saying we might have to look at additional item for account receivable confirmation, but that was not the main purpose for the analytical procedure. The main purpose is to get an overall conclusion. Does it look reasonable? We might have to do that after if it's not reasonable, but the main purpose is B. D could be a step that we have to take afterward. Now, at Farhat Lectures, you could always ask AI to explain the answer choices, again, in a different way, and much more in depth. Or if you'd like this question, you could ask AI to create a similar MCQ to practice this concept a little bit better. Now, whether you are an accounting student, a CPA candidate, the best investment you can make is what? Invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, podcast lessons, video MCQs, video simulations, video exercises. Don't underestimate using resources to succeed. Good luck, stay safe, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.